The Golden Rule. One day, a man came to Rabbi Akiwa and said, "Rabbi, please teach me the Torah in one go." The rabbi looked at him in amazement and said, "My son, Master Moshe himself, peace be upon him, has dwelled on the mountain for 40 days and 40 nights to receive the teachings, and here you are, desiring to comprehend them all at once. However, there is one basic principle of the Torah. Do not do unto others what you would not have done unto yourself. If you do not want your belongings to be damaged by others, do not damage other people's belongings. If you do not want others to steal your things, do not steal what is theirs." The man nodded and returned to his comrades. Together they went across a field of forage crops. The first companion ripped out a sapling, and then another one straight away. The second companion also ripped out 2 saplings from the field, but the man himself did not take anything. They moved on and reached a field full of cabbages. The first fellow bent forward and took 2 cabbages for himself at once. The other fellow also ripped out 2 cabbages, but the man himself again did not take anything at all. His companions asked him, "Why do you not do as we do?" The man looked at them and said, "Akiwa taught me so. What I do not want to be done to me, I will not do to others."